Hi guys, how to redeem Roblox gift card on laptop and PC. Now go to the official Roblox website at roblox.com and make sure you're logged into your account. Here's a critical warning. If you're not logged in, the redeem option won't even show up. Click on your current Robux balance icon located in the top right corner of the website screen. This is the same icon that shows your Robux amount, so don't click your profile picture by accident. Select Redeem Roblox Codes from the drop-down menu options. This is the only official way to redeem codes. Any other site claiming to do it is a scam. Scratch off the code on the back of your physical card or grab your digital card code. Type it directly into the code text box on the screen. Pro tip, double check for zeros versus the letter O and ones versus the letter I, because they look similar. Click the Redeem button to instantly add the balance or reward to your account.